question. Have you ever tried selling a product or a service online and it feels like nobody is seeing it? In fact, your post has 1 or 2 likes, which is you and another member of your family liking that post. Just imagine what it will feel like to have thousands of persons seeing your post, engaging with it, and becoming your customer who would buy that product or service that you have. This is one thing that professionally running or setting up Facebook ads can do for you in the year 2026. And the sweetest part, you are doing this with a very low budget. Yes, all I have just said in few seconds is exactly what I'm going to be showing you how to do in this series that is titled Meta Ads Masterclass 2026. Yes, it's an updated version of our Facebook ad course that have actually helped so many persons do what? Learn how to promote their products and services on the internet. We have so many persons who have benefited from this course, but it is time for us to update this course. And this time, we're giving it out for free. Yes, everyone who has access to this YouTube channel have the privilege of learning how to run Facebook ads professionally from start till finish. Now, over the next 15 episodes that this course have, I'll be showing you how to professionally set up your business manager account in a way that it is going to ensure that your ads account does not get banned. That's one. I'll be showing you how to professionally install and set up Metapixel in a way that it will track all the events that happen on your website. I would also be showing you how to professionally choose the right campaign objectives before you publish any ads for yourself. I would also be showing you how to professionally target the right audience. Yes, the people who are meant to see your product alone. They will be the only ones to see your ads. I would show you how to target this audience on a very, very low budget. Remember I mentioned that in this series, we'll be showing you how to run ads with a very low budget. Say you have a budget of about 1,000 Naira to 3,000 Naira daily for your ads. That can give you exactly the results you want as a beginner. Now, what is running ads without knowing how to create flyers, banners that would help you reach the heart of the person who is seeing your advert? Right here in this course, I'll be showing you how to create mind-blowing flyers, banners that would help your ads reach the heart of those persons who are interested in them. Yes, in this course, I would show you how to professionally analyze your campaigns, see what's working, what's not working, see what ads you need to pause, and the ads that you actually need to allow to run. All of these you'll be learning in this course. And yes, what is meta ads without doing what we call ad retargeting? Yes, look at your campaigns very well. See the ones that you actually need to do what we call audience retargeting for. See persons who have seen your ads, the fact that they've not purchased, run ads that will target those persons who have not purchased, asking them, why have you not purchased this product or service? All of these things you'll be learning how to do right here in this 15-module course that's available for you for free right here on this YouTube channel. Be rest assured that by the end of this course, this 15-module course, you'll be ready to run meta ads from a beginner level to a pro level. This is something that we are assuring you right here on this course. And guess what? It is something you can do even if you have never ever run Facebook ads before. Now, before we go further, do me one favor. See that subscribe button you're seeing down there? Hit that subscribe button, hit the like video, and make sure you turn on post notifications, because over the next 2 to 3 weeks, we'll be dropping over 45 videos in this 15-module course. You would only get notified if you turn on post notifications when we drop these videos. So what are you waiting for? If you have not done so, hit that subscribe button now, ensure you like this video, and most importantly, turn on post notifications. And one more thing I want you to do is go down there to the comment section below and tell me what business you do and what product or service you would like to promote. I will be in the comment section to reply your own comments. So do well to go to that comment section and tell me what product or service you would like to promote. As mentioned earlier, I'll be right there in the comment section to answer your own comments. What are you waiting for? Head straight down to the comment section below and give me that answer. Let us communicate. To get started with this course, let us answer our very first question, which brought us here in the very first place. What is Facebook ads? Or in another way, what is Meta ads? In simple terms, Facebook ads or Meta ads is basically an advertising platform that is owned by Meta. This platform helps you to put your product or services in front of people who are looking for them, in front of people who are ready to buy that product or service. That is what Facebook or Meta ads is in simple terms. Now I'm going to give you 3 reasons why Meta ads is so powerful, especially in the year 2026. These 3 reasons are reasons why you need to take this course very serious. Reason number 1. The advanced feature of Meta now helps us to target the exact right audience. Yes, if you know how to do the audience targeting very well, you'll be able to target only persons who are interested in your product. Take for example, you're a makeup artist, you'll be able to target persons who really wants to do makeup alone. No other person will see your ad. The advanced audience targeting that Meta has now integrated into their system is one reason why you should never ever leave Meta ads. Another reason why you should concentrate on this course. Now, the second reason why you have to take this course very serious, or the reason why you must take Meta ads very serious is, it is one of the cheap advertising platforms that we have existing as at now. Now, comparing this with other forms of advertisements, Google ads, or even traditional ads, with a budget of 1,000 to 3,000 naira daily, you can get results. Yes, amazing results that you can scale and grow on later. So the second reason is that it is one of the platforms that you can even start running ads with on a very low budget. No doubt you know that is one thing you want to do, because even businesses that have a very huge budget needs to start with smaller amount, scale that amount, and invest more on what works for them. So that second reason is a reason that you do not want to joke with. The fact that it is one of the platforms that you can use to start running ads with a very low budget. Now, what's the third reason why Meta ad is something you want to focus on in the year 2026? This is basically because it is now easier for you to measure results on Meta ads. Yes, you can see who saw your ad. You can see who clicked on your ad. You can see those persons that tried to reach out to you, those persons that did not reach out to you, and those ones that eventually reached out to you. All these options given to you helps you to see where to invest more money on and what you should not focus on. Definitely, the updated version of Meta ads would blow your mind. I am very happy and ready to show you how to use all the features of Meta ads to see all that I have just mentioned. And now let me give you one additional reasons why you should not joke with Meta ads. It is basically because statistics have shown for the year 2025 that organic reach is declining. What does that mean? If you post your product and service on your Facebook page or on your Instagram page and expecting Meta to push it out, the reach that you will get have seriously declined. That is one reason why you need to now take paid ads very serious for your business in the year 2026. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried to run Facebook ads before? What was the challenges you had? What are those things that makes you feel discouraged from running Facebook ads? Mention them in the comment section below. I want to see where you are actually starting from. Whether you're a beginner or someone who have actually tried to run Facebook ad before. That can help me assist you as an individual. Come on, go to the comment section below and tell me if you're a beginner with Facebook ads or if you are someone that have tried running Facebook ads before. And if yes, tell me the challenges you have. I am ready to help solve them. And come on, if you know a business owner who is not already running Facebook ads, or you know someone who is struggling with running Facebook ads, share this video to them. they will thank you later because you would get mind-blowing value right here on this YouTube channel. Now, this is the first part that ushers us into our Meta Ads Masterclass in 2026. Now you know exactly what Facebook ad is, and you know why it is very, very important that a business should run Meta ads in the year 2026. I gave you 3 reasons and 1 bonus reasons. No doubt, you are now ready to go into the very next lesson of this masterclass, which will now show you how Meta ad is structured. Because if you don't understand the structure of Meta ads, it will be very, very difficult to know how to run ads that would beat the system and give you results. I'm sure you are ready to know exactly how Meta ad is structured. Come on, let us dive into the very next lesson where I'll be showing you exactly how Meta ads is structured. If you have not, come on, like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and most importantly, turn on post notifications so you would see when that next episode is going to drop. I would see you right there in the very next lesson. If you are lucky enough, you would be seeing that very next lesson showing on your screen now. If you are lucky, click on that next video now so you can see the next lesson and get started with Mr. Ads. I'll see you in that next lesson.